Good morning, my son. Wake up. Wake up. Today is the 12th of January, your first day of school, honey.
I already wake up, Mom. I was so much excited last night because of my first day of school.
Now leave your bed and freshen up, hurry. Your breakfast is ready.
Okay, Mom. Though I'm nervous, but I'm excited too. There will be many new faces at school. What will happen? Who knows? What is for today's breakfast, Mom?
I have made your favorite egg sandwich. I also gave some fruits. Banana, apple and orange.
Thank you, Mom. This sandwich is so tasty.
Finish your breakfast as soon as possible, and make yourself ready for school.
Samir, are you ready to go to school? Now it's 8 a.m. We have to go. Your class will begin at 9 a.m. Yes, Papa. I'm ready at all. Okay. Let's go. My son, are you feeling nervous right now? Yes, Papa. I'm a little bit nervous. What will happen there? I don't know actually. Don't worry. Everyone feels nervous. But it's a memorable day in your life. Don't miss to enjoy. There will be many new faces. You have to make friends. Don't forget to listen carefully to your teachers.
Hello everyone. My name is Zulfar. I'm your new English teacher. And welcome to my first class. How are you all? How does it feel your first day of school?
We are fine, ma'am. Though we are a little bit nervous, but we are trying to enjoy our classes.
There is nothing to be zero me nervous. School is the place for learns new things, play together with friends, make funs, participate in annual sports and picnic. So, don't be nervous. The most important part of your life just began. It's high time to learn something new with full of enjoyment. Don't miss it. You have opportunities. Always grab those opportunity and try to take lesson from every part.
Thank you, ma'am, for such good advices. I thought school is just for earning knowledge and proof ourselves.
You are welcome. I have made a class routine. I will take all the classes based on routine.
Okay, ma'am. We always attend your class, timely.
Oh, my class time is over. I will take my next class next day. Till then, take care all of you.
Hello! I'm Samir. What is your name?
Oh, I see. I'm Jessica.
Can I be your friend? Jessica?
Of course. Let's go and play together.
Okay. Let's go.
After return from school. My boy, how was your school?
Oh, Mom. It was amazing. I never imagined it would be so much fun at school. I have made a new friend named Jessica. She is a very good guy.
Oh, I see. I knew it. And I told you last night, nothing to become nervous.
Yes, Mom. You are right. Our new class teachers in Fur also told you today. She gave us some homework. I have to do all after my meal.
I think you are so much hungry. Now, freshen up and take your meal.
Okay, Mom.